Why you still watching artificial listening videos? They are not real. They are not natural. In this video, we will learn English sentences, some very important, not difficult grammar rules. Only simple sentences you can use every day. These are the sentences native speakers use in real life. Listen carefully and repeat after me. We will speak slowly. You will learn lots of sentences. Let's start, my friend. How is your day going? This is a friendly question. You ask this to learn about someone's day. Now repeat with me. How is your day going? What's up? This is very casual greeting. You use it with friends. Now repeat with me. What's up? Hope you are doing well. This is a kind and polite sentences. You shows care of someone. Now repeat with me. Hope you are doing well. How is it going? This means how is your life right now? It is very common in daily English. Now repeat with me. How is it going? How have you been? This asks about the past time. You can use it when you have not seen someone for a while. Now repeat with me. How have you been? Good. How is everything? This is a general question. You ask about life, work, and everything. Now repeat with me. How is everything? How is your work going? This asks about your job or tasks. It shows interest in someone's work. Now repeat with me. How is your work going? Good. What is new? This means tell me something new. You can use it with friends or people you know. Now repeat with me. What is new? What is going on? This asks what is happening now. It is casual and friendly. Now repeat with me. What is going on? Most probably you heard these sentences lots of movie. What is going on? Anyway, let's continue. What have you been up to? This asks about your recent life or activities. It is very common in real conversation. Now repeat with me. What have you been up to? How is your week been? This asks about your week in general. It is used in friendly conversation. Now repeat. How is your week been? Okay, let's continue. Thanks for checking in. This means thank you for asking about me. It shows appreciations and kindness. Now repeat with me. Thanks for checking in. Long time no see. This means you have not seen someone for a long time. It is very natural expression. Now repeat with me. Long time no see. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. This shows strong surprise. You use it when something is hard to believe. Now repeat with me. Unbelievable. You are kidding me? This means I don't believe you. It is often used in surprise, like a joke. Now repeat with me. You are kidding me? That's crazy. This means something is very surprising. It is used in many situations. Now repeat with me. That is crazy. Are you serious? Are you serious? This asks, is it true? You show surprise or doubt. Now repeat with me. Are you serious? That's insane. This means something is extremely surprising. You can use it in strong reactions. Now repeat with me. That is insane. Just a minute, please. Now, let me ask you something. Do you like my content? I want to improve. Tell me about your ideas in the comment, please. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe. This is very important for me. Let's go. Oh my God. This shows strong emotion. You can use it when you are very surprised. Now repeat with me. Oh my God. Like a movie. Anyway, shut up. This is used in strong reaction. It can show surprise. Now repeat with me. Shut up. You will learn speak English. I am speechless. This means I cannot say anything. You are very surprised. Now repeat with me. I am speechless. Get out of here. This is informal. It means I don't believe you. Now repeat with me. Get out of here. That is wild. This means something is very unusual or crazy. Now repeat with me. That is wild. No way. This means impossible or shocking. Now repeat. No way. It is very simple. Let's continue. That makes sense. This means I understand now. Repeat. That makes sense. Exactly. This means you are person 100 right. Now repeat. Exactly. Fair enough. This means that is reasonable. 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 That is reasonable. Now, your turn. Fair enough. I am down. This means I agree or I will join. Now, your turn. I am down. Spot on. This means exactly correct. Now repeat with me. Spot on. If you don't repeat, you cannot learn. Couldn't agree more. This means I completely agree. Your turn. Could not agree more or couldn't agree more. No doubt. This means 100% sure. Repeat. No doubt. Preach. This means I strongly agree with you. Preach. Absolutely. This means completely yes. Your turn. Absolutely. I am with you. This means I support you. Now repeat with me. I am with you. You are killing it. This means you are doing well. Repeat. You are killing it. No big deal. This means it is not important. Simple. Now repeat. No big deal. No worries. This means don't worry. There is no problem. Don't worry. Now repeat with me. No worries. Keep it up. This means continue doing well. Now repeat with me. Keep it up. Keep it up, my friend. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video or if you feel comfortable and learn something, please say your idea. Write your idea in the comments. I really wonder your idea. Thank you so much. You learned many useful sentences today. Now don't stop here. Listen to this video again. Repeat the sentences. Practice speaking out loud. This is how you improve your English. If you want to more video like this, subscribe and stay with me. And I will see you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep practice. Goodbye, my friend.